What's up, YouTube? Jerry here. This is going to be my entry into ArmyStinger150's subscriber giveaway contest. I'd like to start by saying thank you, sir, for your service to our country. You're a good man. Congrats on the Ebomi win. Stellar, brother. Shoot the fire out of that thing. Army Stinger wanted to see a collection of some kind or another. I'm going to share my meager pistol collection. A couple guns are old that were handed to me. I really don't shoot them, but they're just keepsakes, and I'll just leave them with my son. Anyways, here we go. What the? Who the? How? Wait a minute. I don't know how that got in there. What the hell? Sorry about that. I don't know how trash gets in your collection, but every once in a while it happens. Let's see. Start off with the little Jennings 22 I inherited. I've never successfully ran 6 shots through this gun. I've played with it and played with it. It is what it is. Next would be the Walther P22. I have ran a lot through this gun. It's hiccuped a few times with the bullshit 22 ammo, but other than that, nice little gun. Smith & Wesson Model 60, 38 Special. Very cool gun. Easy to conceal, easy to carry. My 40 caliber XD, 4-inch, nice shooting little gun. My 9mm, 4.5-inch XDM, very nice gun. My Range Officer 1911, sweet shooter, love it. And my old school 50 caliber CDA cabin ball, leaves a massive hole. Anyway, that's it. Congrats on the subs, brother. Wish you many more. That's my entry. Later. What's up, YouTube? Jerry here. This is going to be my entry into ArmyStinger150's subscriber appreciation contest. That sucks. What's up, YouTube? Jerry here. You pussy. What's up, YouTube? Jerry here. This is going to be my